Ano atoy?
Apple. B.
No.
No.
Ant.
Ant.
This one.
Pond. Papat.
School bag.
Kiki. 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 Kiki.
Sakat.
Cat.
Ni Jana. Ano atoy? Ano atoy?
Pas.
Atoy?
Kai. Da. Doy. Ice.
Ear. This one.
Bun. Bee.
Fly.
Pay. Diat. Babish.
Grapes.
Fish. Hut. House. Bee.
Insect.
Insect. That's it. Key. Tie.
Kite.
Nylon. Macmia. Shy. 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 Shy.
Sa moon.
Moon.
Count ka. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4,
Oh,
1,
excuse.
3.
Here you go.
What do you do?
What is this? This one, what is this? I'm asking you here, what is this na?
Orange.
This one is
Key.
queen.
King.
This one.
Puppet.
This one.
Shy.
This one.
Sun. Turtle. Sea.
Tree. What is that?
Rain.
Umbrella.
Yeah.
I know that is for rain, but that is a umbrella. How about this one? How about this one? What is this?
Don't.
Wolf. How about this one?
Diat.
Zebra.
Bata.
What is this again? What is this again? What is this again? This one.
Bunk.
This one.
Shy. Hot. Nylon. Shy.
Moon.
Moon. Bee.
And
And duck.
very good.
Mama tonight.